Guangzhou, Guangzhou, come check it out. There's always something to see, just look around. Guangzhou. Guangzhou, come check it out. There's always something to see, just look around. Guangzhou. Guangzhou, come check it out. There's always something to see, just look around.
Guangzhou, we got a nice little river walk here in this Dongshankou area. We're gonna put it up on the map. We're gonna stroll down the waterfront a little bit, and then we'll kind of meander in and see what we can see that's kind of interesting. It's a weekday evening, so we'll see what that's like. Anyways, let's put this up on the map so you can see exactly where we are in Guangzhou. Guangzhou, okay, up on the map so you can see exactly where we are. And we're gonna be, let's just get you there as if you're there yourself. Come and join me. You know where we're at on the map. Follow me in the camera. Guangzhou, China. It's beauty to the trees. It's one thing I love about South China. You always have all these cool trees. You know, just everything seems like it grows. So we're gonna meander down that way. There's a bus coming. Get somewhere cooler than this construction here. Okay, so now we have more construction over there. You can hear the sounds of it. But anyways, we also have more on both sides. So now we also have this kind of cool brick building stuff, which is throughout this area of Dongshankou. Nice rooftop straight ahead there too. So we're gonna meander around. I think I'm gonna follow the water for a little bit and give you a taste of what it looks like. Oh, there's so much construction. Gaming club, more buses. We're on a bus route. Okay, let me get up there more. I'm positive that if I went up there, it'd be a really cool area because I've already walked up there. But we're gonna try to keep going down this way and see if this is actually a cool area too. I do see some lighting over there, so that could be kind of interesting. Let's kind of pass all this construction. Life buoy? How does that work? I guess you have to push that open maybe? I'm not gonna mess with it, but... Okay, let's go check out that bridge down that way. Okay, now we're up at the bridge. Yeah, it's a bridge that goes over the water. And now you can see some of these lighting over here. I think we'll have to kind of get past this a little bit. It doesn't look as interesting as I thought it might be. It's just kind of like standard stuff. Nothing. This area is kind of known for being like trendy and hip, but that doesn't look like that's part of that. So anyways, here's the water, and then we'll try to find something that kind of gives you a better feel for this neighborhood. But this is definitely part of the neighborhood for sure, so you should definitely see this. Let's meander up a little bit. I'll find some cool stuff for you. There's some what you're gonna miss as I don't focus on it. But yeah, we're just gonna go around the corner because I know there's a bunch of cool stuff up there for sure. A little boat down there. It looks kind of cool. Oh, look. You can even sit outside too. Okay, so we're still in the same street right here. I'm just kind of checking out some of these businesses here. So there's stuff here. Let's go around the corner, there'll be a lot more. I do want you to get a good feel for Guangzhou. So, but yeah, this does get quite a bit busier underneath this bridge right there. But this Dongshankou kind of hugs, it's a community. So I did mention though, get some hipster stuff. So let's just get up there. Okay, so we were kind of moving up. Give you some different stuff, apartment stuff, the sky. It's a little bit darker. We're gonna get right into all the cool stuff so we can combine it for you guys. That's kind of, probably should just keep walking over there and just kind of checking out all that. But Dongshankou is basically over here, all this stuff, and definitely up that way. I'm kind of curious about, what's this right here? Some kind of coffee shop, or I might have to walk across the street and check that all out. It's out of our neighborhood a little bit, but it is Guangzhou. But yeah, this looks kind of cool over here too. Huh. Guess I have to walk over there and check that all out because it looks like there's something interesting over there. That's foliage. Okay, let's go check that out over there. So that was the neighborhood that we were in. This is the neighborhood we're gonna walk into. There's something called Cheng right here. It looks like a Cheng Thai beer bar and a cafe on the corner. So we'll walk and see what that's all about over there. Pretty cool. So yeah, Chung Pop. It's like there's a bar, somebody enjoying. So that actually does have something, and it's like it's Donghu Road. That kind of gives you an idea. So we walked across Donghu Road, and it looks like we kind of have a whole other sphere of stuff to check out. And I don't think this is, don't know what the neighborhood this would be called exactly. Okay, looks like we're gonna have another underpass. So there might be, looks like there's other stuff up that way, so we'll see what that's all about. It is getting kind of dark. Okay. So we definitely walked into a whole other neighborhood. So we came through a bunch of darkness and under another bridge. And I don't know the neighborhood that we're in, but it does have a different feel. More of everything here. So we're gonna end this video. We're just gonna see what's around the corner first, including taking a look at this little, it's like a little liquor store of some kind. So we'll see what that's all about. And then we'll move down the street a little bit, then we're gonna come to an end. Yeah, it's like a pretty nice liquor store. We'll just go down a little bit. Yeah, the feeling does change quite a bit. Yeah, Dongshankou doesn't have this feel, but this is kind of interesting and kind of cool. And I guess I should end it, do another video. But yeah, so we did tap into a whole other neighborhood here. So let's end this, get the video.
Something to see just